Hello, here we are again with the gStrength, and we're going to just go over a bunch of different attachments. I have right here in my hand a rope attachment. We'll put this up in our rig, and people will swing from it with one hand holding onto this. But hey, maybe you don't know how strong you are. Can you do that? And you say no. So let's figure out how strong you are using these attachments so that we can find success. We're also going to take a look at different attachments here. My favorite, this one. It's great for hand strength and grip strength because guess what? Nothing says health and longevity more like having good grip strength. So without further ado, let's go with the rope. Take the rope, hook it in. Maybe you want to play tug of war and really find out. This is a great way to challenge a bunch of people from grip strength and find out who is the king or queen of grip strength in your facility. You put it on here and then just, grip it and rip it. I mean, that's the try hard face right there if you ever saw one. It's probably obscured by my hat, but whatever. Moving on, like I said, my fave, let's save the best for last. We'll just hook that right there. We'll take this one. I can't use that. That's ridiculous. Yes. Put that there. Neat. Now we got a 2.5-inch pipe. And we're just going to pull. And then we're going to pull. So for all you strong men, strong women, competitors out there, power lifters, deadlifters, anybody who really needs to have good, strong grip, pop smoke. Woo. What you need is to take this and attach it to your squat rack or our platform, and then just grip it and rip it and find out really what you got. So many choices, so many different options. And these are all in our assessments as well. You can specify a ball, a rope, a ring, a jug, a pipe, all sorts of different things in the Exsurgo performance system to be able to assess your grip strength. Happy gripping. Grip it and rip it.